Now I want to show you how I secure the thread and techniques how I sew on crystals. First of all, when I secure the thread, I create cross, as you can see here. It's a cross, and then I'm going out somewhere next to it. Don't secure a thread on the side, because sometimes you will need to cut a bit of felt and your knot will be somewhere here. You can cut it as well. So just secure the thread somewhere in the middle. In this tutorial I use two techniques of sewing in the crystals. First one, you just take a crystal and sew it on this way. Go through the crystal twice. You can sew on crystals in different directions. For example, here my direction was on the right side. Another crystal I will sew on to the left side. And again I go through it twice. It is not necessary to go twice, but I like to do it to be on the safe side. As you can see, these two crystals are sewn to different directions. One is on the right, one is on the left. You can sew them on straight or on the side. It's only up to you and up to the pattern what you want to create. Second technique what I will use during this tutorial, you take a crystal, you take a seed bead, and go back to the crystal. Again, go out from the felt, take crystal and seed bead, go into the crystal only. Our crystals looking up, and they have this seed bead on the top. One more. You take a crystal, you take a seed bead, and you go through the crystal only. This seed bead is like holding our crystal on its place. You can use this technique as well for smaller crystals, for bigger crystals. When I'm saying to fill in the small gaps with the small crystals, I mean you will have a space between crystals, big crystals, and you can fill them in with the smaller crystals and seed beads. For example, I can take clear crystal of 4 mm and fill it in between the bigger crystals. Here I see another space, but it's too small for the bigger bead, so I will fill it in with seed beads. this way, as well as here. When I see a small space between crystals, I will fill it in with seed beads. This way we create our earrings.